Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Techno Master. So today in this video we are going to quickly unbox the brand new Redmi 13C. This is the brand new launch by Redmi in India. So at the very top you can see the Redmi 13C in black color matte finish. It is looking really good guys. You can see the finish is really awesome. So now let me just power this phone on and now in the box we have the USB Type-C cable, the power adapter, and some documentations. So now let me just keep these things aside, and we are preparing the system now. Let me just look at the camera. It is looking decent. So I will make a review video on this phone. Thank you.